Hello and welcome back to the Oceanfront Builders channel. We're thrilled you're here. If you're new to our community, Oceanfront Builders specializes in crafting stunning residential and commercial spaces across Southern California, with a particular focus on Los Angeles and Orange counties. We're passionate about sharing our expertise and insights to help you navigate the complex world of construction. Today we're shining a spotlight on a crucial yet often misunderstood element of any construction project: city inspectors. They're the unsung heroes, the guardians of quality, and the gatekeepers of safety. While they might sometimes be perceived as a hurdle, their role is absolutely essential to ensuring that your project is built to code, meets safety standards, and protects the well-being of the community. Understanding their function and how to work effectively with them can significantly contribute to a smooth and successful construction process. In this video, we'll demystify the role of city inspectors, explaining their responsibilities, outlining the types of inspections you can expect, and providing practical tips on how to prepare for and interact with inspectors to ensure a positive and productive experience. We'll also delve into some common reasons why inspections fail, and how to avoid those pitfalls. Whether you're a homeowner embarking on a renovation, or a seasoned developer managing a large-scale project, this video will equip you with the knowledge you need to navigate the inspection process with confidence and efficiency. Before we get started, if you appreciate this type of informative content, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Your support allows us to continue creating valuable resources that empower you to make informed decisions about your construction projects. Why are city inspectors so important? Simply put, they are the independent eyes verifying that construction projects adhere to established building codes, zoning regulations, and safety standards. Their primary responsibility is to protect the health, safety, and welfare of the public by ensuring that buildings are constructed and maintained in a safe and sound manner. Here are some of the core responsibilities that city inspectors fulfill. Code enforcement. Ensuring that construction projects comply with all applicable building codes, electrical codes, plumbing codes, mechanical codes, and fire codes. These codes are designed to protect the safety and structural integrity of buildings. Plan review. Verification. Comparing on-site construction to the approved plans. Safety oversight. Verifying that construction sites are safe for workers and the public, ensuring compliance with safety regulations and preventing accidents. Material verification. Confirming that the proper approved materials are being used. Quality assurance. Assessing the quality of workmanship and ensuring that construction projects meet acceptable standards of practice. Community protection. Safeguarding the well-being of the community by ensuring that construction projects do not pose any hazards or violate zoning regulations. What happens if building codes are ignored? The consequences can be dire, ranging from minor inconveniences to catastrophic events. Imagine a building constructed without proper structural supports collapsing during an earthquake, or faulty wiring causing a devastating fire. City inspectors are the frontline defense against these types of disasters. What types of inspections can you expect during a construction project? The specific inspections required will vary, depending on the scope of your project and your local building codes, but some of the most common inspections include foundation inspection. This inspection is conducted after the foundation is poured, but before any backfilling is done. The inspector will verify that the foundation is properly sized, reinforced, and located according to the approved plans. Framing inspection. This inspection is conducted after the framing is complete, but before any insulation or drywall is installed. The inspector will verify that the framing is structurally sound and meets all code requirements for load-bearing capacity, fire resistance, and energy efficiency. Plumbing inspection. This inspection is conducted after the plumbing pipes and fixtures are installed, but before they are concealed. The inspector will verify that the plumbing system is properly installed, leak-tested, and meets all code requirements for water supply, drainage, and venting. Electrical inspection. This inspection is conducted after the electrical wiring, outlets and fixtures are installed, but before they are concealed. The inspector will verify that the electrical system is properly installed, grounded, and meets all code requirements for safety and performance. Mechanical inspection. This inspection is conducted after the HVAC system and ductwork are installed, but before they are concealed. The inspector will verify that the mechanical system is properly installed, ventilated, and meets all code requirements for energy efficiency and safety. Insulation inspection. This inspection is conducted after the insulation is installed but before it is covered with drywall. The inspector will verify that the insulation is properly installed and meets all code requirements for R-value and air sealing. Final inspection. This inspection is conducted after the project is complete and all work is finished. The inspector will verify that the project meets all code requirements and is safe for occupancy. How can you ensure a smooth and successful inspection? Preparation is key. Here are some practical tips to help you navigate the inspection process. Thorough plan review. The most important, making sure you and the inspector are on the same page. Schedule inspections in advance. Contact the building department to schedule inspections in advance, allowing ample time for the inspector to arrive. Have approved plans on site. Have a set of approved construction plans available on the job site for the inspector to review. Ensure site access. Clear the site of any obstructions that may hinder the inspector's access to the work area. Know the code requirements. Become familiar with the applicable building codes and requirements for your project. Perform self-inspections. Conduct your own self-inspections before the city inspector arrives to identify and correct any potential issues. Correct deficiencies promptly. If the inspector identifies any deficiencies, address them promptly and schedule a re-inspection. Communicate clearly. When you don't understand something, make sure to ask the inspector to help. What are some common reasons why inspections fail? Knowing these pitfalls can help you avoid them. Incorrect framing, improperly sized lumber, inadequate connections, or non-compliant bracing. Solution: ensure that framing is performed by experienced carpenters and inspected by a qualified structural engineer. Electrical wiring issues, improper wiring connections, undersized conductors, or lack of grounding. Solution: use a licensed and qualified electrician. Plumbing leaks, leaks in pipes, fittings, or fixtures. Solution: hire a licensed and experienced plumber. HVAC system deficiencies, improperly sized equipment, inadequate ventilation, or leaky ductwork. Solution: use a licensed and experienced HVAC contractor. Lack of fire stopping. Failure to install fire stopping in walls and ceilings. Solution: install fire stopping materials. Missing or improper insulation. Failure to install insulation properly or using the wrong type of insulation. Solution: double-check insulation levels and installation techniques. Code violations. The building code violations, such as inadequate setbacks, improper drainage, or non-compliant window glazing. Solution: contact. How can you foster a positive working relationship with city inspectors? Remember, they are there to help you succeed. Respectful communication. Treat inspectors with courtesy and respect, recognizing their expertise and authority. Preparedness. Be prepared for inspections by having all necessary documents and information readily available. Collaboration. View inspectors as partners in the construction process, collaborating with them to ensure code compliance and project success. Open dialogue. Ask clarifying questions and seek guidance from inspectors when needed. Prompt response. Respond promptly to any requests or concerns raised by inspectors. The permitting and inspection process can vary slightly depending on the specific city or county in Southern California. Here are some general tips for navigating the process in Los Angeles and Orange Counties. Los Angeles County. The Los Angeles County Department of Regional Planning is responsible for land use planning and permitting in unincorporated areas of the county. The City of Los Angeles has its own Department of Building and Safety, which handles permitting and inspections within the city limits. Be sure to verify and double-check. Orange County has its own building department, which handles permitting and inspections in unincorporated areas of the county. Individual cities within Orange County such as Anaheim, Irvine, and Newport Beach have their own building departments. City inspectors play a vital role in ensuring the safety, quality, and code compliance of construction projects. By understanding their responsibilities, preparing for inspections, and fostering a collaborative relationship, you can navigate the inspection process with confidence and contribute to the successful completion of your project. At Oceanfront Builders, we have extensive experience working with city inspectors throughout Southern California, serving Los Angeles and Orange counties. We understand the local regulations and procedures, and we're committed to ensuring that our projects meet all applicable codes and standards. If you have any questions or concerns about the permitting and inspection process, please don't hesitate to contact us at 888-336-8586 or visit our website at oceanfrontbuilders.com. We're here to help you build your dreams safely and responsibly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable construction tips and insights. We appreciate your support. Thanks for watching.